Cook the best pink salmon meal, a seafood lover's dream. Seafood lovers, get ready to elevate your mealtime. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to cooking the best pink salmon meal. With simple steps, fresh ingredients, and quick techniques, you'll create a dish so delicious it'll rival your favorite seafood restaurant. Start simple. You'll need fresh pink salmon fillets, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, fresh lemon, dill, and your choice of seasonal vegetables. Opt for high-quality salmon for the best flavor and nutrients. It's the hero of the dish. First, pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. Next, season generously with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. Let the seasoning infuse for a few minutes while you heat your skillet to medium-high for a perfect sear. Add olive oil to the skillet, and once hot, place the fillet skin side down. Hear that satisfying sizzle. Cook for 3-4 minutes until the skin crisps up. Flip gently and cook another 2-3 minutes until the fish is tender and flaky. A squeeze of fresh lemon and sprinkled dill elevates the dish to the next level. Pair your salmon with salted greens or roasted vegetables for a complete meal. The balance of textures and flavors is guaranteed to delight every bite. You've just created the best pink salmon meal, full of bold flavor, wholesome ingredients, and gourmet presentation. Now it's your turn to share the experience. Try this simple recipe, then snap a pic of your masterpiece and tag us. Don't forget to subscribe for more seafood inspiration.